Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily reset the display settings on your TCL 27G64. So first, click on the white button here, and now click on the menu. Right here we need to go over to the display, and here we need to scroll down until we see the reset display. Now let's click on it, and here we need to click on this and then click on either yes or no. We can change it by either going up or down, and then we just need to swipe right or click the button to confirm it. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.